Right, we got another product to review. This product's been up on the website for a little while now. It's about time we got it out there to everybody. Now, a lot of the vehicles that come into Mr. Land Cruiser, one of the problems will be the heater resistor. You only get the blower motor working on its top speed, and that's because the heater resistor here on top of the blower motor has just decayed over time. The porcelain's all cracked, and then what happens? It disconnects, so you don't get the slow speed on the motor. Now, together with ACL Auto Electrics, we've come up with a solution to this problem. It's a plug and play unit. It's got a lovely laser cut stainless steel bracket to house the new resistor, because they are slightly longer, but that bolts onto the original mount. So it's a plug and play unit. All the plugs come on it. There's nothing else you have to do other than fit it. It's so simple. Two 10 mils. Got the nuts that can go in the bin. Plug it in there and just clip the wiring into the bracket, and it's literally as simple as that. That is done now, and it still retains that factory look. So if you don't want to have some dirty, horrible looking resistor across there, and you want to retain that factory look, this is the product for you. Get online, www.mrlandcruiser.com, and you'll find them right there. Put them in the shopping cart. Ish.